Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the STORKLINTA Nightstand from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a hammer. If you want to speed up the assembly process, then you can also use a drill with the Phillips bit. Before you start, I'd recommend keeping all the bits and pieces in their intended bags, as mixing them up will cause more confusion. So the first step is to grab these two side panels and put them into this orientation. Just make sure that the 4 holes that I pointed to are in this position and the grooves are facing outwards. Also grab 2 CR and CL drawer slides and 12 of these small screws from bag 1. Now for this panel, secure each CR drawer slide with 3 screws. Then for the other panel, secure each CL drawer slide with 3 screws. Next, grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Now for this step, you'll only have to do it if you want to secure the nightstand to the wall. So grab 2 brackets, 2 washers, and 2 of these screws from the wall hardware bag, and you'll be securing both brackets like this. Next, grab this bottom panel and put it into this orientation. Just make sure that these 2 small holes that I pointed to are in this position. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then attach the bottom panel like this. Now grab 2 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 2 holes. Next, flip and attach the other side panel as shown. Then grab 2 more cam lock nuts and secure them into these 2 holes. Now grab this thin piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab these 2 metal pieces and 4 of these screws. Then secure each metal piece like this. Then with the other 2 screws, secure the thin piece as shown. Now grab the backing and slide it in like this. Next, grab 2 plastic caps and pins. First insert the cap, then secure it with the pin. Then grab 4 plastic scratch guards and hammer them into these 4 spots. Now flip the nightstand over as shown. Next, grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now grab this top panel and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Then attach the top panel like this. Now grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Then turn this nightstand 180 degrees. Now grab 4 of these plastic pieces and insert them into these 4 holes. Then grab 4 of these corresponding plastic pieces and secure everything like this. Now place your nightstand against your intended wall. This step is optional, but you can grab the wall hardware bag and secure the nightstand to your wall. If you want to see how it's done, I'll leave a link with the timestamp in the description below, as I've done these steps already in another video. So now let's focus on the drawers. Grab this front drawer piece and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 of these screws from bag 2 and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, grab both side drawer pieces and put them into this orientation. Just make sure the small holes that I pointed at are facing inwards. Also grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then attach both side drawer pieces like this. Again, pay attention to where the 3 small holes are for each side drawer piece. Now grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Then insert the bottom of the drawer like this. Next, grab the back of the drawer and attach it as shown. Now grab 4 of these plastic pins and insert them like this. Then grab 4 cam lock nuts and secure them into these 4 holes. Now flip the drawer over and grab the DL and DR drawer slides and 6 of these small screws. Now go to this side of the drawer and secure the DL drawer slide with 3 screws. Now go to the other side and secure the DR drawer slide with 3 screws. Now repeat the same steps that relate to the drawer one more time. After assembling both drawers, put them in like this. Now check that everything opens and closes relatively smoothly, but if you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. So you now have a fully assembled STORKLINTA nightstand from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.